How to log into the Smartsheet account. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you that how you can log into your Smartsheet account. So let's get started. First of all, open any of the interface and then go to the search bar and search for Smartsheet. So once you press enter, you'll be able to see a couple of options in front of you. So you need to click on this one that says www.smartsheet.com. So make sure that the website is legit because you wouldn't want to work on any third-party application that is just a fake app. So here, make sure that the domain is correct, and once you click on that, you'll be redirected to the Smartsheet. So over here at the top right, you'll be able to see a button that says login. So just click on login and you will be redirected to the login page of Smartsheet. So once you have been redirected to the login page of Smartsheet, you'll be able to see something like this. You can sign in using a couple of options. First is sign in with Google, then is sign in with Microsoft, then sign in with Apple, and then you can even sign in using your email, that they send a code to your email and then you can type in that code in order to gain access, or you can even sign in with email and password. And if you don't have an account, you can click on create one and create an account. So here, let me sign in with my Google account. So I'm just going to click on sign in with Google. You need to make sure that you already have an account associated with it. So here, let me just click on this email, as I already have an account associated with this email. So once I'm going to click on this email, you can see that it will take a bit time, just a few seconds or even a minute. That just depends on your internet speed. And then they'll say that please stand by while Smartsheet is loading. And shortly after that, you'll be able to see that you've been redirected to the dashboard or the home page of Smartsheet. So over here, you can see that I've been redirected to the dashboard of Smartsheet. So you can just click on cross and you can enjoy using your Smartsheet. So that was how you can log into your Smartsheet account. If you found the story helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.